INFOrmed Beauties. How you guys doing today? Yeah, your girl is back at it. I just got off work. It's probably around like almost 9 o'clock, and I was like, you know what? I have to put a little bit more grind into my channel because I have been so behind. So I'm like, we're gonna film today, and I'm really excited to film this video for you guys because as you can tell from the title, it is a haul, and I don't do a lot of hauls on my channel only for the simple fact that your girl is not someone who just goes out, buys a bunch of stuff unnecessarily and then just shares it. Like, that's just not me. And usually how I buy is I'll buy like little things I need like as I go. But I wanted to try to do more hauls on my channel and just share with you guys things that I do pick up. So I'm going to do it in a strategic way of where, like, let's say I run out of something and I'm like, okay, or I run out of like the bulkness of what I have. So for example, just hear me out on this. You guys know that I was a Shea ambassador last year, and they sent us a lot of conditioners, shampoos, styling products. I had so much styling, I had so much product, like there was no need for me to go out and buy anything, right? So I was trying to do my hair the other day or last week or so, and I didn't have any deep conditioner. Just no deep conditioner. And so I was like, well, this will be a time for me to go stock up on conditioners and deep conditioners and share them with you guys. So, as well as I feel like this haul is really good for me to add in something new that I may have not tried before, and that gives me another product review and something to share with you guys. But before we jump into that, my hair, as you guys can see, is in this ponytail. It's kind of wrapped up with the marley hair on the back. It has been in this tired style, or this tired bun, for about a week or two. I've been rocking a bun because I really don't know what to do with my hair, but it does need to be washed and deep conditioned. Also too, you guys, if you want to see like my hair updates or my hair, anything about my hair, I have a whole natural hair playlist. I have styles that I've done, twist styles, bantu knots, I've straightened my hair, all that, talking all about my hair. I'll leave the playlist above as well as down below. Go ahead and check it out. Now, everything in this haul is under $100. Everything together is under $100, and I did use coupons. I did get them on deals because your girl is a bargain girl when it comes to shopping. You don't have to buy things full price, and I bought these items from Target and CVS. Now, Target had a buy one get one a certain percentage off. I don't think it was 50% off. It was another percentage off of the Shea Moisture products, so I took advantage of that. And then I also had a 30% coupon from CVS, so we definitely took advantage of that. All right, so let's go ahead and let's first jump into our conditioners. I got 3 conditioners from Shea Moisture. The first one that we are going to talk about is the Shea Moisture Daily Version Coconut Oil Hydration Conditioner with coconut milk and acai senegal. Now, I've tried, have I tried their, I'm trying to remember if I tried their conditioner. I do believe that Shea Moisture sent this conditioner in one of their boxes, if I'm not wrong. I mean, my hair needs all the hydration it can get, so you can't go wrong. I do like the fact that it is in a pump tube. That just really works to make things easier. But this has coconut oil, coconut milk, and acai senegal in it. This is a 13-point fluid ounce, and pretty much this one is to rehydrate, soften, and detangle hair with this daily rinse out conditioner, formulated with a nourishing blend of 100% virgin coconut and shea oils, creamy coconut milk, and acai senegal to rehydrate and enhance natural softness while reducing frizz. So my idea for this is to use more so in a co-wash. I like to have my in-between 5-minute conditioners that I use before I deep condition. I feel like those benefit my hair a lot. But when I cold wash, I will also like to firstly give this a try, because it's a daily hydration conditioner, so you can use it daily, which I of course won't ever use daily because I don't wash my hair daily or put water in my hair and cleanse it daily. But this would be great to use as a co-wash, okay? And I believe this was $7.99, but all links and prices will be down below. Okay, so the next conditioner we are going to talk about is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Conditioner with Murfura and Babu oils. Babu oils. This is for extremely dry, brittle hair. Now we did, I believe, get this one in the box. I think I still have some of the shampoo, but I don't have any more of the conditioner. And I love, you guys, the shampoo from this line is so moisturizing. If you have not tried the shampoo from this Manuka and Honey line, girl, this has Manuka honey, yogurt extract, and marafua oil. And pretty much this is repairs by reducing breakage on heat styled hair up to 76% when used with our Hydrate and Repair shampoo. Soften, detangle, and infuse abused hair with intensive moisture with this nutrient-rich rinse-out conditioner, an ultra-hydrating conditioner that smooths rough, dry cuticles, fights splits ends, and restores vitality to dull, lackluster hair. Leaves hair feeling stronger and more resilient. Okay, now this is geared more for, you know, heat hair or heat damaged hair or hair that is straightened, but girl, it don't matter. I used it. I don't straighten my hair like that, and I use it and it's perfectly fine. So I like things that are very moisturizing, and because this is for extra dry hair, even though my hair is not really extra dry, but anything that is for dry hair I am all for. So definitely going to be using this, and it is a 13 fluid ounce. All right, so this one is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Conditioner with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. Now you guys know this is one of my favorite lines in the Shea Moisture hair. I love the Jamaican Black Castor Oil line. It does amazing benefits for my hair. It has shea butter, Jamaican Black Castor Oil, and peppermint in it. I love the deep conditioner, which we got that as well. But this will be a great little 5-minute conditioner for me to throw into my hair and to rinse out and just give my hair a little extra boost. Okay, now I got one leave-in conditioner. This is my all-time hands down favorite leave-in conditioner. Do y'all know what it is? Do you know what it is? Because if you know what it is, you a real one. You a real one. Okay, are you surprised? Are you surprised? Okay, so this is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strength and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. I think I have a full review on this, or in a lot of my hair tutorials, I talked about this. You guys already know. It has organic shea butter, Jamaican Black Castor Oil, peppermint. I've strayed away from this for some time, but baby is back. This stuff gives my hair so much moisture. Hair is really fine, as we've talked about before, and so I like things that add a little bit of strength to my strands because my hair needs it. It needs it. Between moisture and strength, it needs it, or it will break off. Okay, and my hair can easily break because it is so delicate and fine. I definitely love this stuff. It is a 11-ounce jar. And also, did y'all know that Target had a 90-day return policy? A 90-day return policy. Target is wild. I didn't know that they let you wait that long. Okay. The first deep conditioner that we're going to talk about is by Mielle Organics. It is the Rosemary Mint Strengthening Hair Mask infused with biotin and encourages growth. Now, I've never tried a deep conditioner from Mielle. You know, I've used this line, their Edge Control. I've used a few of their like curling gels. I've used a few of their leave-in conditioners and things like that. So I've played around with a few of the products, just not their deep conditioners. So I wanted to try something new, and this was the perfect time for me to pick it up and put it into my selection of deep conditioners. So pretty much this is a restorative, deeply moisturizing, penetrative mask for dry, thirsty tresses. The Rosemary and Mint Strengthening Hair Mask is developed with your hair's greatest needs in mind. Nourish, hydrate, and strengthen all at once with this nutrient-rich formula. So anything that's rich in moisture, you guys know I love, and I really just can't wait to try this out. If you guys are interested, I will do a full review on this, and more than likely I will already do it. I just like to share with you guys my opinion, so definitely let me know down below in the comments if you want a full review and my thoughts on this product. So next we're gonna step into another one of my favorites that I talked about and left a review on this channel and raved about, and I still to this day rave about it. It is the Maui Moisture conditioner. Like, I couldn't find the agave. I wanted the agave. The one that I reviewed in the video, the agave one, that is hands down my favorite one from Maui Moisture. But they only had the Shea Butter hair mask, and I don't think I've tried the Shea Butter hair mask. So I was like, okay, I'll go ahead and I will give this a try. This is Heal and Hydrate Shea Moisture, I'm sorry, Shea Butter hair mask for dry, thirsty skin. Or dry, thirsty skin, girl. It's I need to go to sleep. For dry, damaged hair, and pretty much it has no silicones, no parabens, no nothing. It is all natural, and it has aloe vera juice in it, coconut water, and yeah. So I just like Maui Moisture in a whole. I do like a few of their products, and it's inexpensive, even though lately, you guys, I have seen these bad boys going up in price. I don't know about you guys, but it looks like they used to be like $6.99 and now they're $9.99. I think they were like $6.99 before. Now they're $9.99. I'm like, okay, Maui Moisture. Okay, but it's definitely worth the $9.99. Definitely, okay. And I got this one for CVS, and I did use a 30% coupon on it. So save your coins, girls, all right? The next deep conditioner we are going to talk about is by Shea Moisture. Are you tired of me yet? You guys know I love me some Shea Moisture, girl. You know I love me some Shea Moisture. And this is the African Black Soap. African Black Soap. Girl. We are not talking about face products. This is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strength and Restore Treatment Hair Mask. I raved about this before as well. I have a full review on my channel about this hair mask. Love it. Will never, ever abandon it. Never abandon it. Like, this stuff makes my hair feel like butter. It just makes my hair feel so good. And I mean, I'm just into products that really nurture my hair. Y'all, if you haven't tried it, get your hands on it, okay? All right. And the last hair mask, the last one, can y'all tell who it's by? Why y'all playing? You already know who it's by. All right, so this is the Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Deep Treatment Mask with sea kelp and argan oil for dry, damaged hair. It heals, grow, and strengthens the hair. Now, I don't think I've tried this. I think I tried the shampoo by this line, and I didn't like it. The shampoo did not wow me. I don't think I tried the deep conditioner, though. So, this has sea kelp, argan oil, and shea butter in it, and I really can't wait to try this. Like, even though, you guys, I feel like I have tried pretty much everything with Shea Moisture, like, there's still things that I have not tried, as you can see, because they have such a broad, huge line of products. Like, even I've been using them for like 5 years or so. I've been using them for years, and I've still had products that I have not gotten around to trying. So I definitely can't wait to give this a try and see how this works for my hair, okay? So after all the deep conditioners, we're going to talk about one styling product that I picked up from Shea Moisture, and it is my holy grail, the Shea Moisture Daily Hydration Styling Gel. I love this stuff. You guys see me use it and talk about it before in other videos, but this gel is good for my everyday. The last 5-minute conditioner that I'm going to talk about, because I call these light ones like 5-minute conditioners. You leave them in for your hair for like 5-10 minutes, rinse them out, and then deep conditioner or whatever. So these are like my 5-minute conditioners. Okay, I use it for my ponytails. I just take it, you know, because you guys know I don't use Eco Styler no more, so this is like the alternative. I just take it, put it into my hair. It's lightweight. It doesn't sit weird on my hair. Like, this is just, the consistency of it is really light. It's coconut oil, coconut milk, and acai Senegal. Love it. 8 fluid ounces in a squeeze top. It's my holy grail of gels. I love it. Okay, so I had definitely picked this up because I was all out of it. All right, so the last 2 items that we're gonna throw into this whole haul, or that I picked up, of course, are some plastic shower caps. Now, I, for the longest time, have been using trash bags, or little shopping bags, okay? I mean, listen, there's nothing wrong with that, you know, like, that's what you use. It works just as fine. But I wanted to get a little bit easier, because I find myself sometimes running into the kitchen trying to find a bag, trying to find one to use, and sometimes you don't have plastic bags now that they have this whole recyclable, bring your own bag type of deal. So I decided to get some good old shower caps. They don't hurt. I think these were $1.99 at CVS, and you get 15 in a pack. And so I just picked it up, okay, so that when I'm doing my hair, I don't have to go running looking for a shower cap, okay, or looking for a plastic bag. I got it on here, okay. And those are very key when you are deep conditioning, so that goes hand in hand. The next thing that I wanted to get was something to, I don't send it to dry with my deep conditioners, and I wanted something that I could tie around my head to keep like the warmth in while I just sit around the house or do anything around the house, and just have my deep conditioner penetrate for about 30 minutes to an hour. So I did pick up this frizz-free hair drying cap, and this is also from CVS. And you can also, well, this is used to dry your hair, so you can use it to dry your hair, which I probably would try, but I really had in mind something to just put on to hold in the heat while I deep condition. And it's pretty much like the little turban thing, you know, where you put it here, you put it on your head, you twist it, and then you tuck it and, you know, pin it to the back. And I had one of these in pink a long time ago, but it got nasty and I had to end up throwing it away. So this I like because it feels like a t-shirt. It's not like that terry cloth material. It really does feel like a t-shirt, and I actually really do like that. I'm a little concerned about the elasticity because I don't know how this elastic is going to hold up over time. I feel like it's going to like a cheap elastic in a way, but it was only like $2.99, whatever. So I picked that up so that I can have something not only to dry my hair, but another way to keep in like the heat when I'm deep conditioning. So you guys, that is my whole little haul, or natural hair haul, and it's under $100, of course. All links to everything will be down below, and if you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comment box. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's your girl EuniyceMari. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video. Bye.